Hey freelancers, Nick Jubrey from the Freelance Space. Today I'm going to show you how to install Backup Buddy so you can make sure that you have awesome backups of your site. Today I realized I made the rookie mistake with the Freelance Space and didn't actually have Backup Buddy installed. Typically that's one of the first plugins that I install, but I'm going to walk you through it now. So what you want to do is come into your plugins, add new. You're going to add Backup Buddy like you add any plugin, except when you purchase Backup Buddy, they give you the zip file. So we're going to have to upload that. We're going to grab Backup Buddy from where we have it on our computer. Install it. Okay, it's installed. We want to activate it. Alright, now it's set up. So Backup Buddy is over here in your dashboard bar, and the first step, we can go ahead and just get a backup going. So what they want you to do is to create a password for restoring and migrating your backups. You want to make sure that you have this in a safe place. So we're going to add that password in. One of the things that I like to do is keep all my passwords in a safe place. Personally, I like to use KeePass because they're not stored online, and I have less concern about people hacking into like one password and getting all your information there because it's just not stored online. So one of the things that I like to do is to store my backups and automate them. So I'm going to walk you through that now. We're going to put them on Amazon S3. And then this is simply adding your key, your access key, and your secret key, and your bucket name. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then we're going to test it and make sure everything's working the way it should. So I went ahead and added my keys in and my bucket name and my directory. Went ahead and copy pasted my access key and my secret key from my password manager because, again, that's something that you want to have. If you're in this business, you have a ton of passwords. And I also have set up Amazon, and I'll make another video at some point. I set up Amazon S3 to have two sets of bucket names. One is for my dev sites and one is for my live sites. So since we're kind of cowboy coding the Freelance Space live, we're going to make sure that we put that into the live backup sites. So we'll do that. We'll add a directory and then we'll test the settings. And test was successful. So that's it. We'll go ahead and we'll add that destination. And that's in there. We'll save these settings. And now I can run a backup. You can go ahead and leave this page if you want. You don't have to wait for all these things to happen, but I like to just make sure that they've completed successfully. It should only take a couple of minutes at the most for a smaller website. And I went ahead and ran a full backup because I don't have any backups yet, so full backup for now. And that's it. Our backup was completed successfully. We can send it to our offsite destination that we made, which is our S3 account. Also gives you the option to delete your local copy, but I'm going to hold on to my local copy for now because I don't have any of them yet. This tells me that it's scheduled to be sent and should arrive shortly. So that's it. Our backup is complete. We can send it to our offsite destination, which is the S3 account that we set up at first, or we can download the backup file and then we can have it to store wherever we want. So we're going to go ahead and download the backup file. We have our backup file right there. Before I close this video out, I just wanted to cruise on over to our S3 account and show you within just a few minutes that the backup that we sent to S3 is uploaded and it's ready to go. So now you can store not only locally, but you can store on the cloud. That's it, guys. Nick Jubrey from the Freelance Space. Happy freelancing.